topproducts.com. Search topproducts.com for the best product reviews online. Top Products presents our pick for the top 5 sailing books. For this review, we chose 5 brands known for quality sailing books, showcasing a variety of options that are available. At the number 5 spot is the Gary Jobson's Sailing Fundamentals, chosen not only for its features but also because of its budget-friendly price tag. Gary Jobson is one of America's leading voices of authority on sailing, with many achievements under his belt. He's won many major sailing races and awards. Sailing Fundamentals is a comprehensive sailing reference material, a respected and solid text that aims at preparing student sailors for certification by international standards. Its comprehensive and clear coursework covers all aspects of sailing and doesn't reflect the prejudices and foibles of its author. This is the recommended text for those seeking ASA certification, but it might be considered too wordy and could use more pictures and illustrations. Next on our list at number 4 is DK's The Complete Sailing Manual. DK aims to inform, enhance knowledge, and entertain readers, no matter how old they are, and whatever it publishes, whether in print or digitally, follows this approach. The Complete Sailing Manual covers everything from sailing fundamentals to the mastering of boat maintenance and seamanship. It's an important reference for both students of sailing and their instructors. It's revised and updated to include all the latest innovations in supplies and safety, and also the current rules, regulations, and best practices. The only downside is it may be too elementary for anyone with existing sailing experience. The next product on our list was chosen because it is a great choice for people who are looking for a sailing book with lots of bells and whistles. At number 3, we have the John Romiere's Book of Seamanship. John Romiere has been a staunch sailor since his youth and has many sailing achievements to his name. He brings his wealth of experience to sailors of every kind in his books and lectures. The Annapolis Book of Seamanship is an ultimate guide to the art and science of sailing, a fully revised text that addresses developments in safety standards and technology. It places emphasis on the skills and behaviors essential to core seamanship values and also teaches the preservation of marine life. There are some textual errors, but the information is excellent. When choosing the right sailing book for your needs, Top Products knows that budget can be an important consideration, and our number 2 pick, the Peter and J.J. Eisler's Sailing for Dummies, takes the spot for best value. Peter and J.J. Eisler have been sailing almost all their lives and are renowned as top contestants and teachers in the world of sailing. They have students of all ages and levels of expertise. Their book Sailing for Dummies is an ideal reference book for sailors of any level, filled with practical information. It introduces not only the basics of sailing, but also everything you need to know about communicating with your crew and having a successful voyage. The nautical terms aren't all defined before use, though, so you may need another reference on hand. And finally, the Beth Leonard's The Voyager's Handbook made it to our top choice position because it provides a good array of features with an affordable price. Beth Leonard is an astute and popular writer who sailed around the world twice and gathered experiences that make her a wonderful sailor and great teacher. Her book, The Voyager's Handbook, is the perfect resource for anybody planning, getting ready for, or just thinking about a great exploit at sea. It's highly inspirational. It helps you to know how to handle life at sea and make your boat a livable, safe, and seaworthy home. It also has easy-to-use graphs and tables you can consult for quick reference. If anything, there's perhaps too much information. The thoroughness and details overwhelm some readers, but will be perfect for the thorough prepper. These are our top 5 sailing books. We hope you enjoyed watching our review. Until next time, take care. Click now to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video. Don't forget to like our Facebook page and visit us at topproducts.com for more everyday product reviews.